In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your very own Binance Smart Chain account. Now, before we start, if you're new here, my name is Sash. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we'll be covering everything I know about how to generate wealth online. That includes business, investing, cryptocurrency, and more. So if that's something you are interested in, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. Let's begin. Now, I am using Google Chrome for this. You are free to use any browser of your choice, but this typically works really well with Chrome, Brave, Firefox. It won't work with Safari, unfortunately. So first thing you want to do is head over to the store, all right? And then go ahead and write down Binance Smart Chain. Now, the Binance Smart Chain Wallet, in my opinion, is a little bit more intuitive than the Metamask wallet. But for all intents and purposes, I'll be covering this as well as Metamask in a separate video. So be sure to check out the channel later on for that. Okay, so once you find it in here, you'll want to just add it to Chrome. That's sort of what it looks like. And then I will, since I've already added it, I'll just go ahead and walk you through the installation process. Okay, so you'll notice that it appears here in the browser tab. Kindly excuse all my bookmarks. It's kind of messy, I know. Okay, so since I already have an account, I'm just going to create a new wallet. And this time, I'm going to choose Create New Wallet. Now, we'll need to generate a seed phrase. Okay, so this is actually quite important. This is probably the most important thing in your wallet. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter a strong password and click Continue. Now it's going to ask you to get private key as well as to click to copy. Okay, so once you've copied that, you can go ahead and save it to your notes. Now, I highly recommend that you, of course, save this somewhere a lot safer than your notes. I'm just obviously doing this for demonstration purposes, but this is your most important asset, okay? If you lose this, you lose all your cryptocurrency. So please make sure that this is in a very safe place, that you print it out, that you memorize it, not only the words, but also the sequence, okay? So let's go ahead and now get private key is not working, unfortunately. So we are going to just click continue. Okay, so it's asking us to confirm our seed phrase. Okay, so what we'll do here is put in the first word, the second word, and the eighth word. So let's do that really quickly. So youth require and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 deposit. Click on continue, and then you have your Binance Smart Chain account. Okay, so you'll notice that I've added some assets already here. Now, if you want to add any asset to this particular account, just go ahead and click on the plus button. So once you click on plus, here you'll be able to search any asset that you want to add. So a couple of things to note here is that on the Binance Smart Chain, you're limited to certain kinds of tokens. If you want regular tokens that are not available on the Binance Smart Chain, you can actually switch to the Binance Chain. So I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate that here really quickly. They're both different blockchains, okay? And so that's something to understand, something to remember. Okay, so I'm back in here. Now, on the very top of your browser, you'll notice that I have a little tab that says Binance Smart Chain Network. You can basically select the network based on what you see here. So there are three main networks: the Binance Smart Chain, the Ethereum network, and the regular Binance network. If you click on the regular Binance network from here, let's find Ethereum, ETH. You can click on that button there and you can add it. Okay, so notice that the Binance Chain Network has the designation BEP2. Whereas if I switch to the Binance Smart Chain, here we will see something that says either BSC or Binance Peg or something like that. Now, typically the reason why you'll want to have a Binance Smart Chain account as opposed to something like Metamask account is because of the fees. Okay, with Binance Smart Chain, you are paying cents compared to Metamask, which is primarily working on the Ethereum network, where your fees are incredibly high, exorbitant as a matter of fact. Of course, as a miner, I can't complain, but as somebody who's investing and doing transactions on a regular basis, that can be really, really expensive. We're talking like hundreds or even thousands of dollars just in transaction fees on the Ethereum network, specifically using Metamask. Whereas in the Binance Smart Chain, you're paying very, very low fees that are transacted using the BNB token for gas, rather than the Ether for gas. Okay, so that's something that you ought to keep in mind. If you are doing transactions in the Binance Smart Chain, you will need BNB, but you're paying cents compared to if you were to do transactions on the Ethereum network. So I highly recommend you check this out. And I'm going to show you a couple other things here that are really cool, especially if you have a Binance account. And if you don't, I have a link in the description. You can go ahead and check that out. Click on my little avatar here. So go ahead and click on your little avatar. Okay. And then here you have the option for Wallet Direct. Now, Wallet Direct is an option that allows you to connect directly to your Binance balance. Okay, so the same currency that's available in your spot account, that's what you can access using this particular account right here. Okay, so you'll just go ahead and click on Connect to Binance account. It'll then bring you into Binance, where it'll ask you to verify and connect your address. Now, I've also logged into my actual Binance Chain account here. And this is something that you will need to actually transact on decentralized exchanges or decentralized apps. A very, very popular one is something called PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is something we'll cover in another video, but this is definitely one of my long-term plays in the crypto space. I'm very, very excited about this platform. I'm also very excited about the clone of this platform called FishSwap. But what you'll notice up top is that we are connected using our Binance Smart Chain account. And that's something that's really quite important. You cannot use a decentralized app like this. You can't use the exchange, you can't use the swaps if you don't have a wallet that the exchange supports. I highly recommend that you check it out. Again, it's totally free and something that you can access from any computer. So hopefully you got some value out of this, and now you know how to actually set up your own Binance Smart Chain account. Again, please make sure that you save your private keys as well as your seed phrases in a very, very safe place, because that is literally the key to all of your crypto assets. I am going to be making a lot more videos. If you like content like this, please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a like if you thought that it was helpful. Share it with people that you think might benefit from this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.